Because nilele, you can't, it's 2 against 1. You must always have someone also mapambu this guy or that guy. Nilele. Now, you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. You expose the ball, you'll get exposed. I'm good. Pass. Shoot across. How many years adlala ibhola? You should keeper, it's a yellow card. Sebayamgcokisa njengomntwana omncane. Gcoka nana, gcoka, uthole i-yellow card. Gcoka, ureferee. Bafethu. Bafethu. Umdala. You've been playing ibhola for a long time. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. AmaZulu 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Good game to watch. Both games should have scored or could have scored a lot of goals, especially AmaZulu. Right? I don't know how this game ended as 1-0 or Wuti AmaZulu didn't score in the game. PSL, they need to do better. Just because everyone is doing one thing doesn't mean Wuti, you guys have to do the same thing now. You can't have Wonkama game playing at the same time. This game, there was no need Wuti Dlale same time with the other game. Both teams, they're already good top 8, right? Could have played them later on, just so that the people can watch more games, because there's no significance. The game didn't have any significance. Just 3 points, ngapa na ngapa. Who ends up number 5, number 6, I don't think it's really important. But just give people a chance to watch. Now let's start. Right? AmaZulu, they play a 3-4-3 system. Very dangerous formation. Very dangerous if you do it correctly. If you know how to build up properly, right, from the back, you can kill teams. AmaZulu, sometimes about click. I'll show you that. Kaizer Chiefs, on the other hand, it was a 4-2-3-1, right? Sharp. Now I want you to see this guy. It's 3 center backs. When they don't have the ball, you see the 2 fullbacks, the 2 wingbacks. Sorry, 2 wingbacks. Wingbacks and fullbacks is not the same thing. If you are playing with a 5, like a 3-5-2 or a 3-4-3, it's called wingbacks. If you're playing 4 at the back, straight 4, it's called fullbacks. So now the 3 at the back. Then this guy will always drop in the middle so that these 2 can be here. But now I'll show you in another video. They don't do it properly, right? They don't do it properly. But in this case, bazokhona ukuphuma kahle, angithi. You need to know what you're doing. You can't pass the ball. You are a center back here. You can't pass the ball. Ufuna ukudlala u-1-2, ufuna ukuphuma. No, you play the ball and then you let your teammates pass when you stick here. Because if they lose the ball, we're not so pushy. What's going to happen? You see, you're supposed to stay here. Yenzani AmaZulu yaphuma. Because this formation, dangerous formation. In this case, it was an offside. Kaizer Chiefs formation, Kaizer Chiefs setup. It's a 4-2-3-1. On the right hand side, their right back bazompushela phambili. Then you'll have cross here, right? Staying. It's a set 3. And then you have your double pivot. Then you have your 2 10s. Vilakazi and Ucheslet. And then on the left hand side, on the left wing you had Ulile. Now, for me, the biggest problem why Chiefs couldn't penetrate was Vilakazi was moving too much out of position. Moving too much. Instead of putting the one central midfield, aphume azela, just to open up space in the middle. For me, that was the biggest problem. They did very well in this instead of keeping the ball. Now you have Ucheslet here. He was here, then he moved in there. You see where Uvila is. You have to play in the pocket. When you have two half turns, right? They have to be in the pocket. He needs to be here in the pocket. And it keep the ball. You have to be in the pocket. You see, uphumela kuphi, uphumela ngaphandle, outside the box. Instead of going to one of these guys needs to be here at the onset, just to open up space in the middle, not Uvilagas. Because if he moves there, now there's no one there. Like there's no point. What's the point, guys? Because with EF information Yamazul, it was to crowd in the middle. Don't give them space. Don't give them passing lanes. And it long diagonal pass, sharp. You keep the ball. In the first 2-3 minutes, Chiefs did well there, just keeping the ball. And then Amazulu, their structure was good. Amazulu had a chance to score a goal in the first 8 minutes, right? Throw in here Amazulu. Kaizer Chiefs thinking they're gonna play a long throw in, and they take it quick, they take it short. Because in Ilele, you can't. It's 2 against 1. You must always have someone. Also, Mapamu got this guy or that guy. Nilele, and it sharp. Let me play it. Slipping on shoot, cross. Beautiful save, brilliant save. But the finishing here, for me, it was poor. Goalkeeper ume phakathi nendawo. You still want to hit phakathi nendawo. Indoda. You're a defender. A defender, my man. This should be your daily bread. Now, sharp. Here. Umabuwe is here. And you are the one who's supposed to be picking this guy. Okay, let's start here. Let me start here. You have Usilva as a striker coming in to help the defenders. And Sizomark. But you are all alone. Why ungazanga net defender? And to the look of defender. Is a net defender, sit defend. When we won. Now you have Umabuwe on a tall guy. Play the cross, it's easy. This guy is taller than everyone that's here at the back. And no communication whatsoever. You can't be doing this epoxy. Kiole, no, Kiole ya ing. You are the one who's supposed to go with him. How? You can't do that epoxy. Should have scored there, but brilliant save. My goalkeeper of the season. Playing the ball from the back. It's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. And remember what I said, Uguti. This guy, when they have the ball, will try and push into the midfield. And now, if we're gonna play the ball from the back, we need to relax. Everyone needs to be in position before we can start. And don't rush. Hey, especially this guy Tanu Ukjah. Now, watch this guy trying to move in a space in. Baltat. Hey, Silver Fox, Sinyao, hey, Mfanagit. Sharp. Watch again. Remember, everyone needs to be in their positions. And now look at this guy. He moves into the middle. Now someone else is coming in. And you can't have 2 players close by. You can't have this. You can't have this thing. But I think it was the game plan. He comes in here, then he's gonna move there. Ucheslet magahamba naye uzoba free. And uzoba free abe 1. Now you expose the ball, you'll get exposed. You expose the ball, you'll get exposed. Unlucky there, corner kick. But if you expose the ball as a player, especially as a midfielder, you will get exposed. Now I want you to watch Umabuwe here. Umabuwe. Yeah. This guy, he scans. He scans ubheka ngapha on his left hand side. And sharp. But now you can't trap more right and then expose the ball. Yeah, the ball is exposed. utrapper ngo-right ufuna ukukhahlela ngo-right futhi. No, trapper ngo-right bese ufuna uzokhahlela ngo-left. Don't expose the ball. Yeah? You expose the ball, you'll get exposed. AmaZulu, they like to play from the back. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, but you have to keep on doing it. Angithi into, it's our style of play, right? Goal kick. That's from the center back to the keeper. You have these two. Remember what I said, Uguti. This guy, he came here in the middle so that he moves this side. Angithi, when he moves this side, uvuleki space la. Watch what happens. Baphumile, right? It was just to throw uVilakazi away. Baphumile on an attack. Good defending. If you watched AmaZulu the whole season, you will know that their biggest problem is finishing or the final product, right? Must attack you. Now, at the back, Bayenzani, Bayapuma. Bazopuma food. This time on the right hand side. Yes, Tata, Bamketi. Now you have a guy, you have who is staying here, who free of charge, free Coca-Cola. You can't have this. Yeah. Now let's look at their final product. Poor pass, but this was offside. Let me take it back. Linesman, ushabile mfana kithi. Akitsebonana ingi. King Toy Nahanan. Ay man, marabore really bona munai wena. Ay. Let me take it back, man. This was offside. I just wish Guti I can stop it properly. Right? Agakalikhahlela ibhola. This guy agakalikhahlela ibhola. But you can already see there's a line here. This guy, he's already passed this line. You see where the Chiefs defender Igupi. Ulinesman, mfana kithi. Mfana kithi. Ay. Final product here AmaZulu is very disappointing. And what does one uhlala khaya? That's why sekane gray. A lot of gray hair. Final clip here AmaZulu playing out from the back. It was so simple. Pressing, badlala la phuma khona. No one is pressing there. Hayi bafethu. I don't know how AmaZulu iqedele game without scoring. Great defending there. Mnike, stop doing aish umnikeza sekukudala. Ay. Good goalkeeping. But look at how many Chiefs players are inside the box. You can see they didn't want to concede. Great defending, great play from AmaZulu. Playing from the back. It's not easy, but if you know what you're doing and you do it properly, things become easy. If you watch this game, Kaizer Chiefs didn't create a lot of things because AmaZulu, what they did was to stay compact and they win the ball. They had a lot of counter attacks, a lot of them. Let me show you one. Problem, small things, I always say football is a game of small details. When to cross the ball, when to pass the ball. Now, Talangi Chiefs. Chiefs has the ball. Ball is from the right hand side. Liza ka left. Look who is here. uVilakazi. Vilakazi, mfana kithi. Okay, sharp. Out of position. Okay, nothing wrong. Now, let's continue to play. Ball is from the left hand side. You take it to the right hand side. Take it to the right hand side, mfana kithi. You bring it to the left. 1, 2. 1, 2. Obrigado, mfana kithi. 1, 2. He doesn't do it 1, 2. Funa ukwenze yakhe. Balithatha iball. Now, counter attack. I'm gonna play this and then I'll bring it back. When you see this, you're thinking good counter attack, but for me, it's not, because you delayed with the cross, and when you delay with the cross, what you end up doing, you end up closing the space. Now the ball gets passed to him, angithi. Now the ball gets passed to him. There's two guys that side. Now you push it once. Why if we will push kaning? If we push kaning, then okay, push it once and push it. Now you see the space between the defenders and the goalkeeper. It's big. If you're going to push it again, you're closing down that space. And then when you cross it, it's easy for the keeper to do what? To come out. It's easy for the keeper to come out. You did push the ball once. Why do you want to push it again? Push it, then adjust yourself. Adjust yourself, then cross the ball. There's two guys here. Okay, maybe now, okay, they didn't give him a lot of options, or they didn't make good runs early, because now he pushes the ball. Now, when you are here, a smart goalkeeper, he knows, he can see you are going to cross, you are not going to score. When the goalkeeper, we are poor. Yeah, it's too late now. The spaces is none. It's easy for the keeper to come out a 58 ball. But had you played the ball earlier, because the space is in between the defenders and the goalkeeper. Second half, guys. Ama team uyawabona ukuthi why angekho successful. When you have players that are immature, you can't sebenzi. You got a first yellow card. Then you score a goal, ukhumula skipper. Ukhumula skipper for in. Ngoba ukhona kuba tough. Why ukhumula skip? Suka. AmaZulu continued to play from the back. You were doing one thing, then it was working. Then you decide to do something else. For any. Now, remember in the first half, angithi badlala with 3 center backs. Now, in the first half, this guy here, he was here. They had the 2 center backs. One was here and one was there. Then this guy would be here with this guy. Then why did you change it? Why did you change it? Because then he passes the ball, then he's gonna make a run here. Chesley, obviously he's going to press there. And then this guy can't get the ball. Now you lose the ball. Let me take it back. What should have happened here after playing this ridiculous thing? This guy should have been here, because the left full wing was he's not here. He's not here. So this guy, move in here so that you can get the ball. Because you standing here, now you have these two waiting for one pass. You can't. He's trying to block this pass. Move here. That's what should have happened here. Because suka. Because the left full wing as abuya in the picture. Yeah? Almost scored. No keeper na. Hey. What basics of football. If you are on the right hand side, you shoot across. Simple. AmaZulu had a chance. After each hit, it took me Salah. Play a simple pass. Why do you want to play someone that's far? Hey, Maraboli live. Play you cross in Banagit. It's not even a firm pass. Now AmaZulu, this guy needs to be signed. Sorry. By a big team. I'm glad. Pass. Shoot across. How many years actually ball? You shoot across. Shoot across. You don't shoot near pole in Panagit. Lo namara. Why you funukshaya first pole? How feel in Panagit? Watena gamnan. Shoot la. Shoot this side. Before Kaizer Chiefs score, AmaZulu had another chance, but because he super sportan usibonisa ama-fans, into abasibonisa yona kumele asiphatalele DStv thina ukubhekelela izinto eziso, guys. Sesibona AmaZulu seya attack. Umfana wenzeni? He shot the ball across. Angithi, unlucky, he didn't hit the target. But you're supposed to hit the target. When it's 1-against, when you are facing the keeper, we won. You have to hit the target. There it's a must. Before Kaizer Chiefs scored, I'm gonna show you something. Obrigado. Right? In this case, he doesn't play a 1-2. And I'll show you. Use spacing uyi-1. No pressing whatsoever. Pressure so late. Okay, good pressing. Sharp. Now watch. 1-2. Obrigado. 1-2 mfanakithi. Could have played the ball there. Yeah? Ulolipop agijime akore bese akhumula iskipa ngoba vele ufuna ukusibonisa ama muscles. In this clip, he doesn't play i-1-2. Now watch the goal. Final clip. Here comes the goal. This putu phakathi. Now, obrigado. Be smart. Smart players. Recognize space lana. 1-2. Phakathi. Inside. In the first clip, azange adlali 1-2. Uyafuna ukuthena ashaye cross. In this goal or in this clip, wenzani? Yalchepa, yalphasa. Uphasa ulolipop. Now, you have to find players abathanda ukhipha ikipa. Ukhipha iskipa, it's a yellow card. Sebayamgcokisa njengomntwana omncane. Gcoka nana, gcoka, uthole i-yellow card. Gcoka, ureferee, bafethu. Bafethu. Umdala, you've been playing ibhola for a long time. You know mawukhipha iskipa, it's a yellow card. Yeah? Keeper is it's a yellow card. You got the yellow card, mfanakithi. Suka, uzothi ukhohliwe. Ukhohliwe, bafethu. Bafethu nidlala ngathi. He should be fined. You must fine him because you put the team under pressure, under unnecessary pressure. Usikhiphela ama-muscle angekho, ukhipha iskipa ufuna sibone imbambo zakho. My man, you don't have muscles. Sheba dintho tseo. Bafethu. I know. Okay. Thank you for watching, bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.